Wow, a train. Once, an engine attached to a train was afraid of a few drops of cum. The engine's name is Henry, but he would not move. The rain will spoil my lovely green boot and red ass, he said. The guard blew at the fat controller till he had no more breath.
Oh, I am stiff, he groaned.
And waved his cup till his arms ached.
I'm going to poop, said Gordon.
Then they tried pushing from the other end. The fat controller said, 1, 3, 3, 2, shush! At last Thomas came along. Thomas pushed and pushed.
Henry said thank you. When Henry came, he felt much better.
Eventually, even the fat controller came. The fat controller
was dirty and covered with cum. On their way home, Edward and Henry fought Gordon. All three engines are now great friends. The fat controller knows that the best way to keep his cock nice is to ask his driver to rub him down when the day's work is over.
My name